In today's video, I'm going to teach you how AI can be trained to act human, specifically focusing on the task of eating. This intriguing journey will take us through some simple steps, highlighting how technology can mimic such a fundamental human activity. Buckle up as we delve into this fascinating process. First, let's start by opening our browser and heading over to Google. This is our go-to search engine, and it's the starting place for almost any journey we embark on in the digital world. Once your browser is open and Google is loaded, you'll want to go to the search bar. Next, type ChatGPT into the search bar. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed to interact naturally and intuitively. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts given to it. So type ChatGPT and hit that enter key. This will bring up a wealth of information, but most importantly, it will lead you directly to the relevant page you're looking for. With your search complete, you'll see a link to the ChatGPT website at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click on this link. This will take you directly to the platform where you can interact with ChatGPT. This site is where all the magic happens, and you'll get to see how an AI can mimic human behaviors. Once on the ChatGPT site, it's time to engage with it. In the input box provided, you will need to create a prompt. Let's use the simple yet specific prompt, how to eat like a human. This prompt sets the stage for ChatGPT to analyze and come up with responses that resemble human behavior in the context of eating. It's intriguing to see how AI can interpret such a fundamental human activity. With your prompt ready, the next step is to submit it. You'll see a submit button on the page. Simply click it, and this will send your prompt to the AI. ChatGPT will process this information and start generating a response. This showcases the capability of AI to understand and provide insights into everyday human activities, making it an incredible tool for learning and interaction. Now, just sit back and watch as the AI takes over. ChatGPT will generate a response explaining how to eat like a human. The beauty of this process is in its simplicity and the AI's ability to mimic the nuances of human actions. It's both fascinating and educational to see how AI dives into this seemingly simple yet complex behavior. Congratulations! You've just used AI to gain insight into human behavior, specifically eating. This process highlights how AI can be a valuable resource in learning and understanding more about ourselves through technology. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this journey as exciting as I did. Stay tuned for more explorations into how AI can mimic and teach us about the human condition.